Hey everybody, I just got myself a new ROG Strix Z690-E gaming Wi-Fi motherboard. And I wanted to do a little opening for you so you can see what all comes in this box. It is a pretty amazing little graphics card we got going on, and I'm super impressed with the packaging that they did with it. So what all do we get? Well, obviously, we get this we get this gorgeous motherboard that is going to run my computer better than it's ever been run before. And if we look underneath, that's where the fun little goodies come. So we've got our motherboard. Now let's see what else came with it, because they give us a nice little setup here. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Looking through, we have an expansion card for multiple M2 drives. I believe this holds, what, 4 M2s, and I'll verify that later. I'll put a link to all this in the description as well for you guys so you can see what all is in here. We have all of our cable ties, extra SATA cables. There's another graphics card holder in here, which is actually this one. This is the graphics card holder. Right here we have our Wi-Fi antenna, which is obviously going to be really important. And then looking underneath here, we have our CD with all of our drivers. At this point, I don't actually have a CD drive, so I'm going to be downloading them anyways. We have a nice little card letting us know, hey, get ready to rock the game world with ROG Strix. As a member of the elite gaming community, it's time to level up with Armory Crate, the ROG app that'll help you manage every aspect of your rig, from initial setup to RGB illumination, pinpoint the latest updates, drivers, manuals, and offers, and connect instantly with your gaming peers. I've got a bunch of sticker swag that I can go ahead and add to my case. A nice little keychain lanyard that I can use. And then obviously our wonderful Strix manual that's going to tell us how to put everything together. I'm obviously going to have that manual open, and I'm going to be intrigued to go through it as we upgrade this computer. And I really look forward to doing this with all of you. So thank you so much. I look forward to what we can do in this future video. Have a great one, everybody.